Welcome to Finance Deep Dive. Today, we're breaking down how credit cards really work in under 60 seconds.
So what is a credit card? Just think of it like a super short-term loan from a bank.
Basically, the bank pays the store for you first.
And then you've got to pay them that year.
All right, let's make this real. Let's say you go out and buy a brand new phone.
And it costs $375.
Okay, so the end of the month rolls around, you get the bill. Now what?
This right here, this is the crossroads. This one choice changes everything. You've got two paths you can take. You can either pay the whole thing off in full, or you can just pay that small little minimum payment. So let's check out path number one. You pay the entire bill. You pay that full $375.
And boom.
You're done. You owe $0 extra. Simple as that.
But what if you take path number two? You only pay the minimum.
Which is only what, $38?
But here's the catch. Now you've got a balance of $337 left over.
And that leftover balance, it gets slammed with super high interest.
We're not kidding around here. We're talking a massive 30 to 40% a year. That's way higher than pretty much any other kind of loan. So what does that mean for you? Well, next month, your bill isn't just that leftover balance. Nope, you're going to owe an extra $10 just in interest. So why does this all matter? Well, if you use it smartly, you get awesome stuff like rewards, cashback, and you build up a great credit score. But if you use it the wrong way, you can fall right into a debt trap with huge interest costs, and you'll wreck your credit score. So you can see the two sides of the coin here, right? Smart use gets you free benefits. Wrong use gets you really expensive debt. At the end of the day, the choice is totally yours. If you are liking the content, don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates us to keep posting.